Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Charles Schwab Custodial account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate a Charles Schwab Custodial account, start by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on it to begin the account opening process. Select the option for a custodial account from the drop-down menu. You will need to provide personal information for both the minor and the custodian. For the minor, enter their full name, date of birth, and social security number. For the custodian, input your full name, social security number, and contact information. Next, complete the residential address section for both parties. Review and agree to any terms and conditions presented. Proceed to the funding section of the application. Choose your preferred funding method, such as a bank transfer or check. If you select a bank transfer, you will need to provide your bank account information. For checks, ensure that they are made payable to Charles Schwab. Once complete, review all information for accuracy. Submit the application by clicking the Final Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from Charles Schwab. Follow any additional instructions in the email to verify your identity. Once verified, your custodial account will be active and ready for use. You can then log into your new account to manage investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.